I am a little collier and we go underground. Off in laboratory when I go up and down. But raining when I'm confused.
This is great stuff. Really bad at covering.
I am a little collier and we go underground. Up in laboratory when I go up and down. But raining when I'm confused.
This is great stuff.
This is great stuff. Really bad at covering.
I am a little collier and we go underground. Up in laboratory when I go up and down. But raining when I'm confused.
นักธรรมนิสรอยan ymdreithi theatrant, ffotogrwydd yn sisio garu o na hawni fel yna. Gwyd y mynydd yn ei blodau,
edrych arni tirau ffug, am cael aros ar y bryniau yn yr awel efo'r brig.
Adar man y mynydd uchel, codant yn yr awel iar, o naill un i'r llall yn hedyn, o na awn dolden bach. Mae y mynydd y dwylinau, oddi cartref yn gwneud can, ond mae'n calon yn y mynydd, efo'r grug a'r adar man.
Subconscious.
This is
bwfan. Byddan nhw ddim yn ymweld views. Lwgless nag i ni ffastig fel yn o'n fiach o feilon o gweithgor eroedd yn y chys dydy tynau bydd i ro'n yn y gyfreifon at a llwyr o'r bobl yn ffonwyd gan y cyfr yn fo'n gartref ddoi yn ôl fyna nid oes codi
Great.
Thank you very much, Glyn. Okay, I'm going to sit down now.
Have a breathe in.
Okay, I do, yeah, sort of.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some sample instruments there. Those in one part, there's something I call Wanksy chord. It's yeah, a Wanksy chord. It's, do you know the metal clips that you have to hold cables, 13-amp cables? So those metal clips, I found a row of them underneath stairs in the house, and we need to strip it down. So I just sampled it, and I put it in here. The granulates wasn't behaving like I was expecting tonight, unfortunately, but you had the gist of it. Anyway, good. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Thank
you very much. Anybody got anything they want to ask, or any questions, or
anyone with teeth brushing?
Yeah. Well, can I borrow your No. Are all the origin of all the sounds that we've heard, are they all field recordings?
No.
No.
That's a good question, because I've got quite a collection of synths and stuff.
Yeah.
Now, so I've got a Nord modular, then I've got sort of Chord Sigma, Roland SH1000. I could spend quite a while listing the things.
Right.
But sort of, I do like experimenting with sounds. But I am doing more and more field recordings. That's why I've got my trusty Zoom recorder, which is great.
Yeah.
It's good for that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
But I'm usually with the iPhone when I do record stuff. So my next project is recording stuff and making more tracks with it. So my latest project is I've got 2 car strings and I've got metal pole, and I'm sort of recording that, sort of dropping the springs on each other to be ding, 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 and that works well. But I haven't sort of developed it far enough yet. Right. But that'll be the next project. And so I think this amalgam of real things, introducing them into the electronic world, is the next big thing, really, because the modular synth's fantastic and everything, but I think for the next step is trying to introducing real world instruments up and create some new stuff. So that is the next big thing. So I was at a conference in Berlin, name dropping a bit, in November, and they were all able to loop, and they were all talking about it. I was quite surprised how many sessions there were about electromechanical listeners. So I started with my little biscuit tin, but that's only sort of, it's early days yet. So I haven't sort of sussed out the best way of working with the biscuit tin yet. And it's holding up quite well to the gate. So I've drilled it, got a pitch guitar string, and I got a piezo pickup here. But it sort of takes a bit of battering.
Yeah.
It's a start.
So the sound is a wire running out of the.
Well, I was cheating tonight because I was using a microphone because quite stripped down. I didn't want to bring a mixing desk with me,
Yeah.
so that's why I used the microphone.
Yeah.
But sort of, I would have done more sort of talking with more poetry or something, more speech, but sort of I wanted the stripped down set. But yeah, ideally it should be that pickup.
Yeah.
But it's great, so visceral. It just makes you feel good that you're breaking something. And you're breaking something to create something, well, to make something creative, by breaking it, there is something quite satisfactory about it because you can't replicate it. You've done it, you've done the damage, so maybe I'll try and get some old electronic equipment and smash them up and record them in super slow-mo and then sort of just do a little piece of work with that. But yeah, so then anything goes, and that's the good thing with these sort of evenings is sort of everyone's non-judgmental. You can do anything you like. Yeah, great fun.
Thank you.
Well, thanks for asking the questions.
I think that sums it up. Really, is great fun.
Yes,
that's what really came across is actually how much
because sort
you
of
were clearly enjoying yourself.
Well, this industrial music or sort of experimental music doesn't tend to be fun, but I think you need to have it to let me fun.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, I'm all for that.
Anybody else got anything else to ask? No? In which case, thank you very much, Glyn Robert.
All right, David.